Hi everyone, welcome back or welcome to my channel. This was all live streamed on my Twitch, so if you'd like to join next time, make sure you follow me. The link will be in the description or in the comments. Absolutely no pressure to be there, as I will still upload them on YouTube. And now we'll move on to the reaction. Alright, I'm now reacting to XG's album, or what's left of it. I need the Howl intro, the space meeting skit, which I guess isn't really necessary, but it's on the album. I might as well react to it. In the Rain and Is This Love. Everything else I reacted to. Yeah, everything else is on my channel if you want to check that out. So, yeah. Okay, there's also the Woke Up remix on this album, but again, not reacting to that because the original is too good. I'm not letting the remix ruin that. Okay, so the first track is Howl, which is just an intro. I am assuming it's just audio. So pressing play. 3, 2, 1. Play. Ooh. Oh. It was kind of creepy. But also very cinematic. I feel like it's very loud. Turn it down a little bit for me. No. Okay. And then plays Howling. Okay. The song's so good. The music video is just as good. Will there be an ad? There's not. Okay. Wait, what are they saying?
Unidentified object is spotted on site. The speed is unmeasurable in knots. It's fast. It's free. Base, do you copy? XG, do you copy?
XG, do you copy? Ooh.
Signal. Target locked. Engaging.
Bro, this feels like a freaking movie. Hello? What? Okay, interesting way to open the album, but I almost wish like they would have just replaced those and replaced that and the skit with actual songs for the album. Then we would have gotten 2 other new songs, if that makes sense. But interesting concept anyway, like overall, very interesting. Kind of creepy sometimes, but cool. And cinematic, very movie-like, so I like it. Okay, the next song is XG in the Rain. I'm excited. I'm scared. Okay, pressing play. 3, 2, 1, play. Can hear the rain. Ooh.
Rain on my shoulder, cloud in my head over heels, nothing to fear, 'cause we had each other, fall through the weather, there were no
Ooh. Don't play with me. Ooh. Interesting. Okay. Ooh. 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 Maya. Ooh. What? Hearing that after howling is crazy work. How are they so good at versatility? Having different sounds always. To me, they're kind of just like Baby Monster in the fact that they have different sounds every single time. And the whole group can give vocals. The only difference is their dancing. XG is definitely ahead of the game in that. I'm gonna listen to it again. 3, 2, 1. Play. I like the guitar it started with. And the vocal runs. My mic, okay.
Rain on my shoulder, cloud in my head over heels, nothing to fear, 'cause we had each other, fall through the weather, there was no other like this.
Amazing start from both of them.
And then you started hiding it, sliding it,
And then here comes Harvey, dude. Oh,
there was no other like this. And then you started hiding it, sliding it, baby it's so evident. Boy, why are you stuttering? But you still running it.
and then the way she drops at the last word with evident, stuttering, running it. What was I gonna say? Oh, the hi-hats. The hi-hats also came in.
No other like this. And then you started hiding it, sliding it, baby it's so evident. Boy, why are you stuttering? But you still running it. Goodbye. So you never
The harmonies. Don't play with me. Don't play. Don't play.
but you still running it. Goodbye. So you never been like that, like that.
And then Maya's vocals, dude.
So you never been like that, like that.
The vocal run.
Yeah, I know it's a shame, what a pity. You
And then Jaren too with her vocals. They all have such amazing vocals. I can't. I'm jealous.
What a pity, you got nobody to blame but your baby. Night after night, all the times, all the tries, I'm washing it all away because you left me in the rain, in the rain, in the rain. Left me out in the cold with nobody to hold. Can't you see I'm a side, I'm a side, I'm a side. So let it rain, what else can I do?
I love this melody, dude. The melody going from the pre-chorus into the chorus. Really nice. Back up.
So let it rain, what else can I do? Ain't no sign of a light, no umbrella to hide. Still I'm standing here right where you left me. In the rain,
And then her lower register.
in the rain, in the rain. In the rain, in the rain, in the rain.
The thunder. I was gonna say thundercloud, but that's not. No. The thunder.
Rain, in the rain, in the rain. Rain, rain, don't go away.
I like how the song comes back in with a punch, like a boom. Pa. You know?
Rain, 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 don't go away. Please stay another day.
These vocals.
I don't wanna make it stop. Hands every time it drop.
I love it. Stop, drop. Jaren, oh my god.
In the rain, in the rain. Rain, rain, don't go away. Please stay another day. Funny how I don't wanna make it stop. Hands every time it drop. It's drop. Right now you got me dancing in the rain, all by myself like I'm insane. But sometimes the words just can't explain. I don't really wanna think about anything.
I could play that part over and over again. Maya, Harvey, dude.
It's right. Right now you got me dancing in the rain, all by myself like I'm insane. But sometimes the words just can't explain. I don't really wanna think about anything.
Like, are you joking?
It's right. Right now you got me dancing in the rain, all by myself like I'm insane. But sometimes the words just can't explain. I don't really wanna think about anything. Goodbye. Ain't no one
Followed by the freaking harmonies again.
won't look back. It was only a game, but a pity. Save it all in a frame without me, baby. Heart on a drain, all the scars, all the pain. I'm washing it all away because you left me in the rain, in the rain, in the rain. Left me out in the cold with no
The ad-libs, go back.
frame without me, baby. Heart on a
No, wait, go back.
It was only a game, but a pity. Save it all in a frame without me, baby. Heart on a drain, all the scars, all the pain. I'm washing it all away because you left me in the rain, in the rain, in the rain. Left me out in the cold with nobody to hold. Can't you see I'm a side, I'm a side, I'm a side. So let it rain, what else can I do? Ain't no sign of a light, no umbrella to hide. Still I'm standing here right when you left me. In the rain, in the rain, in the rain. In the rain, in the rain, in the rain. In the rain, baby, let me soak and scrub wash you off in the rain.
Am I the only one that thinks that sounds like it'd be an Ariana Grande song? Like the bridge? Not just Ariana does that, I am aware, but because she is the artist that I listen to the most, it sounds very familiar to something she would do, like on her Positions album or her most recent Eternal Sunshine album. I think it's very Ariana coded. I don't know. I don't know if that's just me.
In the rain, in the rain, in the rain, in the rain, in the rain. Baby, let me soak and scrub wash you off in the rain. Baby, let me soak and scrub wash you off in the rain. No umbrella
I almost clicked on another song. Bruh. Dude, these girls, they have it all. The vocals, the dancing, stage presence. The fact that this is on the album with songs like Woke Up. Well, actually, Woke Up isn't even on this album. The remixes, which is very upsetting. They can do it all. I love it. I love hearing it too. I wonder what they'll release this year, if they're releasing anything. That was really nice. Vocals from everyone. The next song I am now reacting to is This Love? I just scrolled and I saw the first comment and it says, Maya sounds so angelic. Damn. What am I in for? God dang it. Okay. Pressing play. 3, 2, 1. Play. I hope the audio is okay. I won't know until I finish. Okay. Shh. What the fuck? This is... What the heck? Okay. Ooh. Girl, what the heck? I literally just finished saying the versatility, and then here comes yet another kind of genre, bro. What? And it's so short too, 2 minutes and 34 seconds. Considering how fast paced it was, I think it was pretty good length. They sound nice. What the heck? How do they never miss? I'm gonna play it again. Sorry, I'm like blanking. Okay, pressing play. 3, 2, 1, play. Ow, the vocal runs at the start, dude. Pause, hold on. Anyways, back to the song. I love Chisa opening up with the vocal runs. The like bass and then the snaps. Doom, 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 right? No, it's doom ch, doom doom ch, right? Kind of. Her voice sounds amazing. Maya, 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 Maya. The vocal run at the end. The like, what's that effect? Like the glitter, shimmer, sparkles. Yeah. Okay. Ooh, the vocals in the background. Every single member in this group has such beautiful and unique vocals, dude. Going back to the chorus, I don't know how I feel about the "Is This Love" part, like saying it 4 times. I don't know, but everything else sounds fine to me. So let me run that chorus back, actually. No, it sounds fine. I don't know what I'm saying. I'm tripping. Who is harmonizing with Coconut right now? Is she harmonizing with herself? The vocal run, Maya. Girl, okay. Durin with the rap. I like that flow right there. The back of my mind, like da. Okay. The vocal ad-libs. Sorry. Ding! I like this bridge. Who's harmonizing right there? Sing it! Who is that? Who is that, dude? Oh, my dog's up. Okay, yeah, dude, who's singing that ad-lib right there? That ad-lib was very, very impressive. Let's go back. Just a bit. Play. Do you hear that? Who is that? Who is that? The instrumental at the end, I love it. That sound effect is cool. Bro. That was so good. That is so good. So good. Now I'm going to listen to the album all the way through on my own time, not right now, just to hear it all together because I did react to this so out of order. I will not do that again now that I have my setup. But yeah, I'm excited for the Coachella performance. I don't know if I should react to it on stream or not because obviously I can't upload it to YouTube as it will get blocked. But if I do react to it, it would probably be on Patreon for free. We'll see. Because Jenny and Lisa are also performing at Coachella, so I'd like to react to it. I don't know if I can, but we'll see. But yeah. Well, that was it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more, and I shall see you next time.